Hello guys, welcome to channel ko. Bali, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng glitch intro.
I don't care what they do, I just wanna be with you. And I don't mind all the times we will fight just to get through. Yeah, 'cause all these empty faces, they got nothing on yours. They got nothing on yours. They got nothing on yours. And yeah, all the brightest places, they turn dark when you're gone. They turn dark when you're gone. They turn dark when you're gone. You got that hometown smile. You got that look in your eyes that says, oh, everything will one day be alright. You got that hometown smile. You got that look in your eyes, and I'll do anything just to keep you by my side. All my life, I finally realized that home is not where you go. 'Cause now I need only you and me. And wherever we'll be, we'll never get lost. Na 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 na. 'Cause all these empty faces, they got nothing on yours. They got nothing on yours. They got nothing on yours. They can keep on talking, baby. You're the beat to the noise. You're the beat to the noise. You're my beat to just know. You got that hometown smile. You got that look in your eyes that says, oh, everything will one day be alright. You got that hometown smile. You got that look in your eyes, and I'll do anything just to keep you by my side. By my side. You got that hometown smile. You got that look in your eyes that says, oh, everything will one day be alright. You got that hometown smile. You got that look in your eyes, and I'll do anything just to keep you by my side. Everything will one day, everything will one day, everything will one day be alright. Everything will one day, everything will one day, everything will one day be alright.
A little bit of light, a little bit of gold. Under pressure, you start to fold like a diamond from gold. Maybe you are something I cannot define. Maybe you are the fallen kind. I leave there with violence, the silent side of me. We see where fire starts to breathe. When I would lay in silence, the voice inside of me made me lose my mind right.
DJ JD on the beat, volume like fucking 5. I'm in a great mood. It's that Mario Party 12 shit. Chef, yep. This that perk music, that go to work music. Yeah, this that chirp music. Homie, you should chirp to it. East Coast love me, down south sweaty surf to it. Midwest head bob and Cali boys surf to it. This that perk music, that go to work music. Yeah, this that chirp music. Homie, you should chirp to it. East Coast love me, down south sweaty surf to it. Midwest head bob and Cali boys surf to it. I'm in a good mood, smiling at the state troopers. I'm freestyling right now. Ask my producer. In the club, popping bottles and I'm smoking good, dude. Lost 20 grand and I'm still in a good mood. Cause I'ma make it back then. I'ma make it trapping. If I don't make it rapping, I'ma make it happen. I'm in a great mood, but don't start me. They get tied up in a little kid's car seat. Midwest, say I'm sick, West Coast gnarly. Whole family with me, call the shit Mario Party. In the club, I got a pocket full of Bob Marley. 20 blunts a day, like the shit is fucking parsley. Got my boy Vince singing like straight Gnarls Barkley. Me, I'm a player, call me Young Charles Barkley. Homie, this that good music, do what you want to it. Front to it, stunt to it, roll a big blunt to it. This that perk music, that go to work music. Yeah, this that chirp music, homie, you should chirp to it. East Coast love me, down south swag and surf to it. Midwest head bob and Cali boys surf to it. This that perk music, that go to work music. Yeah, this that chirp music, homie, you should chirp to it. East Coast love me, down south swag and surf to it. Midwest head bob and Cali boys surf to it. Verse 2, yeah, I'm feeling kinda greater. Chicks sweet and clothes in all different flavors. Call me Stapler, pocket full of paper. I'm in a good mood, middle finger to you haters. And my homie's Audi, soon see you later. In a good mood, but I'll bring out that laser. Patron and Percocet straight, no chaser. Such a good mood, I'll get hit with the taser. And you know